peace, show me bring it back down. They think it's a game right now, but it ain't the same right now. Know my name right now, back where I came from now. We gon' live it up till we bring it back down. They think it's a game right now, but it ain't the same right now. Know my name.
Oh man, I don't know what I'm gonna ride today. I sold my bike. My pit bike got a flat. Fuck. Yeah, I'll just ride my cousin's bike. I hope he doesn't mind. You gotta bump start it. Fuck! Help! 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 No! I'm soaked! Guys! I'm soaked! Ah! Oh no! 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 Anton! Anton! Yes! Dude! Hold on! Dude, it's leaking gas! Oh, okay, it's up. It's up. No.
You gotta wash it. You know that?
Huh?
You gotta wash this.
I'm doing it. Go, go, go. You gotta go more. Go, go, go. because it's just John's bike.
250 bike, 250 quad. Because at least you can handle it. You won't feel like that heavy balance.
Hey, Cheat.
Yeah.
Justin rode your bike today.
What do you mean he rode my bike?
Well, you know how he doesn't have a bike? He was bored, and because of the nice weather and stuff, he took your bike out for a spin today.
What the fuck, bro?
I don't know, man. I told him not to, but you know fucking Sid's a fucking idiot.
Oh my god. Dude, it needs fucking valves. Where's the fucking bike blue?
I know, man. I fucking told him. He doesn't fucking listen.
I'ma bust him when I see him. I swear, man. He's fuck.
Alright, dude. Okay. I gotta go, man.
Dude, you know if something happens, I'm gonna kill him, right? Like,
Nah, I know, man. I know. He's stupid.